Hey everyone, so the builders have been in and they've already done the partitioning in the loft area, which is very exciting. It was only yesterday that I installed most of the floor. There's still a little bit left on that side, but they've done most of the partitioning. So I'm just going to talk my way through what's going on here so we all know what's happening. So this is the staircase area and the stairs will go straight up right there, and that's going to be our landing area. So it's quite spacious and we've got potential storage area here, and we've got a window still left to be installed around this area just to let some daylight in and be more functional. So this is the hallway going down, and we've got bedroom 1 here. That chimney is still to come out, so that window needs to be dropped down because it's too high, so the person's coming in to do that as well. It's a spacious room. It's about 12 foot by 9 foot, so it's a decent sized room. Then we come back into the second bedroom. So this is also quite spacious. We've got some under roof storage over there that we can still do. That window is again too high and it needs to come down, so we've still got that person coming in to do that. And then we've got the bathroom here. It's a decent sized space for a shower room or a bathroom. We don't really know yet, but yeah. But overall, it's getting there.